ईल्स आखिरकार आती कहाँ से है?
For centuries, scientists and philosophers struggled to answer one simple question: where do eels come from? Long, snake-like fish found in rivers and lakes all over the world, but for thousands of years, no one had ever seen an eel's eggs or even baby eels. This made the reproduction one of the greatest mysteries in biology. Even Aristotle, the famous Greek philosopher, couldn't solve it. He believes eels were born from mud or earthworms because whenever rivers flooded, new eels appeared. Yet no one saw them hatch or breed. For nearly 2000 years, people repeated this idea that eels simply appeared from the nature itself. By the 80s, scientists began to search for the truth. They studied eels in rivers, dissected them, and looked for reproductive organs, but found none in young eels. Only much later did they discover that eels grow their reproductive organs only once, right before they migrate to the sea to spawn. Then come an important discovery. In the Sargasso Sea, a warm area of the Atlantic Ocean near Bermuda, scientists found tiny transparent larvae shaped like leaves. They were called leptocephali. At first, no one knew what they were, but as scientists studied them more, they realized these larvae slowly transform into glass eels and later into adult eels that swim into rivers. That was the missing piece of the puzzle. With modern technology like satellite tracking, scientists confirmed that European and American eels migrate thousands of kilometers from rivers all the way back to the Sargasso Sea to spawn and then die after reproduction. The larvae drift with ocean currents back towards the continent, restarting the cycle of life. To put it in simple terms, this the biggest mystery in biology solved in the 21st century with modern technology.